Hey guys, welcome back to Desert Cubing. Today I'm going to teach you how to solve the snake cube. So this cube basically goes out into a very long line and it can be difficult for some people to solve, so I'm going to give you a tutorial. So basically, to start off, you need to make it into this pretty long line. Just make it flat on your table, and then you want to make it in, I'll just get a different shape. You want to make it into this shape, so you can just look at that. If you need to solve it, you need to make it into that shape. Okay, so once you've got that, here you can see there's 2 blocks of 3. You want to rotate that down to make a block of 6, and then here, basically with this 4, it's a bit like cubing. You're going to do R prime, D prime, R2. Okay guys, so once you've done that with that block of 4, you want to basically, the step is to just rotate these strings, and then you just kind of make a bit of a middle layer here, and then you're going to rotate that down, rotate that up, and then you've made the whole first 2 layers. You just need to move it around, and then you've made your cube. So it's a pretty simple puzzle. Now I'm just going to mess it up again and do a speed solve. So you can get pretty fast at this. It just depends how much practice you put into it. You don't have to put in that much practice to get good at it, but anyway, okay. And I'm done. Hey guys, so thank you for watching this video. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Also guys, my YJ Yulong V2M review will be out in a couple hours. Stay tuned for that.